Hey, I am Capri. This channel is about hula hooping, and in the last video I showed you how to do a trick called horizontal weave. Today we're gonna take a look at the weave and jump through. First, let's take a look at our trick again. So this is the horizontal weave, by some called a corkscrew. And when the hoop comes to the front, you can modify it by adding a jump through. So you enter the hoop, elevate it above your head and go back into the trick. Now let's take a look at the normal pace. As you can see, the movement, the jump through, is quite a fast, dynamic movement, so you have to perform it in a total control and go fast from the bottom up above your head. Okay, let's take a look at the movement. So once you're in, you want to elevate the hoop high above your head and go back into the horizontal weave. Now, what will help you to control the movement is your hand. So, in contrary to all the weaves theory when the hand is only guiding the hoop, here you want to actually grab it and control the motion from the bottom up above your head with your hand, okay? Now, let's speed it up a little and pay attention on the motion of the hoop. So, it's like being placed in a vertical tunnel, and when we elevate it, we don't want it to spin around our body, so we are not like passing it. Let's turn around with it and check the motion when we are turning. How much more time you have to perform the trick when you are turning. I'm always encouraging people to do it. Always turn with the trick and check how much more time is out there. Okay, now grab your hoop and enjoy it. While drilling this trick, you will give yourself a little cardio because all these jumps are quite demanding, and to repeat them one by one, you'll see the results on your own. If you like it, leave me a like button, leave me a comment if you have some additional doubts or suggestions about these tutorials. There will be 30 of them. There are already some on my channel, so make sure to subscribe not to miss any one of them. And I see you in the next one.